everybody go to breakfast.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Today is Saturday, January 13th. It's already 6 o'clock, so we getting a late start to the vlog. I just got finished doing my makeup, just a little something, not too serious. I'm starting the vlog pretty late because we are about to link up with Uncle Pee-wee. This is my uncle on my father's side. He is the one that stay in touch with everybody and knows everything that's going on within the family. So we are linking up with Uncle Pee-wee and cousin Terrell. Y'all met her as well. If you haven't, you'll see her later on in this vlog, but we're going to a jazz performance tonight, and it is one of my cousins that's performing. She's the lead singer. I have never met her before. I don't think Terrell have met her either, but she's touring, and now that she is here in Baltimore, we're going to go down there and give her some support. So I thought I would take you all along with me. I'm about to go put on my clothes because it's running close to time. Excuse the dirty mirror, but I should have washed my hair now that I'm looking at it. But I just love my hair big and fluffy like this. This side is kind of matted to my head. This is the side that I lay on. That's why it looks like that. But let me go ahead and get dressed, and I'll pick you all up back in a bit. So we are dressed, about to head out the door, but let me do a quick OOTD, not a boob shot, sorry. My earrings is the Bottega dupes. They'll be linked down below, and let me sit you back so you all can see my cute little fit real quick. Give me rushing. So this is just a little sweater maxi dress, super cute. It fits like this. Oh, I forgot to put lotion on my back. It's all right. But yeah, it looks really cute. And then I got these thigh-high platform, can you see it? Thigh-high platform boots on that look like this. It actually belongs to my best friend. She left them in my trunk, and I'm gonna rock them tonight. I also got the little Kylie Jenner lip gloss on. This is Posy K. Love this color. But let me go ahead and get out the door. I am running a little bit behind. Uncle Pee-wee is always on time, and I don't want him fussing at me. So I'll pick y'all up once we get in the car. I know y'all can't see me. Look, here I am right here. But I am changing these boots. I really like the boots, don't get me wrong, but I don't think they look nice with the dress. And I want to wear more of a stiletto heel. So I'm taking these platforms. Woo, girl, this is a workout. So I'm here at grandma's house, and I probably end up vlogging from my cell phone because I know I can't take my camera in there. My uncle kept saying it was a jazz festival. It was a soul performance, and it is so nice. I can't show y'all because they won't let me record. But I was talking about you because you kept saying it was a jazz festival. I'm in a jazz performance.
So, and it's jazz?
No.
What is it?
It's soul.
Okay.
You're a mess. We are finally getting a little bit of snow flurries that's sticking to the ground in the grass. It just looks so nice. Something about the snow just makes me feel so nice and cozy and wanting to sit in the house as long as I don't have to travel in it. But it's just so pretty outside when the snow hits the ground and attaches to the leaves and the grass. It's just super pretty. We just came from dropping baby girl off at work, and I'm currently sitting in the car waiting on the guys. They are in the barbershop getting their hair cut. We still have to celebrate my oldest son's birthday later on this week, so I'm gonna take you all with us. But I wanted to recap on the other night. We had so much fun at the Symphony of Baltimore. I think it used to be called the Lyric, if I'm not mistaken, but the Symphony Hall. It was so nice seeing my cousin for the first time perform. That was actually my first time meeting her, and my uncle had the whole thing confused. He brought the ticket, so I wasn't really sure what to expect, but the name of the performance was She Got Soul. They played a lot of old school music, which right up my alley. You know, that's my jam. So I had so much fun. Me and my cousin was acting up, you hear me? They was just jamming out. They played the OJs, Diana Ross, just a lot of classic old school music. I'm just so glad that I did decide to come out and meet my cousin for the first time because I really enjoyed it. I'll link everything down below because I believe their next performance is in Toronto. The plans for today, I wanted to go and get an agenda book. I went to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, At Home, all of the stores looking for a specific agenda book because I like the brand Clementine and Fringe from Home Goods and those stores, but all of them was sold out. I seen a lot of planners, but not any actual little agenda book. I did check my Target Circle app and I see a lot of agenda books on there, so I want to stop in the store and see what they look like. Not so much as a planner because I put a lot of stuff in my Google Calendar. It's my life, it's here on my phone, so I'm able to access that, but just more of something I could leave down in my office. I do want to wash my hair. I supposed to did it yesterday, so I just got this crazy like half up half down situation with nothing in it. My hair is super fuzzy, but I didn't want to wash it because I knew I needed to come outside and I'm just getting over my illness. And then my uncle called me and asked me if I can DIY a gift for one of his co-workers' daughter. She's having a baby shower coming up and he want me to do the little diaper cake situation. So I'm gonna do that for him. Probably not today, probably tomorrow or the day after that, because the baby shower is not until the following week. Let me stop chatting, girl. I just miss you and want to give you an update, and I will see you all once we get to our next location. Made it to Target and I found me a planner. Thank God. I'll show y'all once we get back in the house, but it's them that's grabbing everything, not me, so I don't have a haul for y'all. I'll see y'all once we get back in.
Oh, my bad.
The other day we had like this wintry storm mix with snow and hail, just a whole bunch of stuff going on. It was late at night and Milo was looking out the window wanting to go out there, so my husband took him out there. He was running around in the snow. He loved everything about it, just like I do, except for driving in it. Today is my oldest son's birthday. We're gonna take him out to eat. He's very simple, unlike the girl. I already told y'all how that go with my sons compared to my daughter. Yeah, so he just want to go out and get something to eat. He's older, so he's probably going to do something with his friends later on. I didn't even get a chance to show y'all my planner agenda book, so I'll show y'all that once we get back in the house. But right now we are sitting in Target parking lot because I want to run ahead and grab some stuff to make that diaper cake that I told you all that I need to make. Let's run into Target real quick. I'm trying to figure out, do we need a huge case of Pampers to make it? Are you like this size like this? Or can I do something smaller? I don't think we need that big case.
Are you making a stack?
Yeah, I was doing like maybe
So
a 3-tier. What you think?
You need a,
I don't think we need that many. That's gonna be too much. I mean, not that she can't use it later on, but I'm thinking about
that's not going to be enough.
96.
Oh, that's 96.
Yeah, that's 96 because it's a baby. So just, yeah, grab that one. Can't fit the box in there, but we grabbing these diapers. I meant these wipes. I was trying to find like the cake stand to put the diapers on, but that's nice, but it's $30. And this one,
That's 30.
I might have to DIY it. Yeah. We just left out of Target. I still need to make a stop probably at Michael's, but I'm not going to do it today because my son want to go out to eat a little early so he can do whatever else that he wants to do later on. But I still need to get a cake stand because it was pretty expensive in Target. They wanted $30 for their cake stands, and just for the reason of making a diaper cake, I didn't feel like it was worth me spending $30 on that. So I'm gonna go past Michael's to see if they have like the disposable cake stands or something similar. I want to do like a 3-tier diaper cake, so that's my plans. I also need to grab some ribbons and whatever else little accessories that I need to add to the diaper cake. I did order some stuff from Amazon. I'll show y'all that. Let me focus on the road because there's still some icy patches out here and I don't want to slip and slide everywhere, so I'll see y'all in a bit. So I want to show y'all my agenda book that I grabbed from Target the other day. It looks like this. So this is for the month of January, and you have a nice size calendar like this that you can put little information in or whatever you want to put on a day-to-day basis. It also has a note section right here, and what I like is that every day you can write something here, whether it's your to-do list or goals or plans that you have for the day. So I really like agenda books or planner books that's like this. That's why I prefer to have this type of book within a regular planner. So I just wanted to show you this. I'll have everything linked if it's a link to it. So right now we about to head out the door and help my oldest son celebrate his birthday while he got some time to spend with his family. Y'all y'all know when they get older, they don't be trying to be bothered with us. But we're gonna go out for a little bit and celebrate his birthday. There's Milo wanting to be seen, husband, Kayla, and Devon. The birthday boy's still downstairs getting himself together. So I'll pick y'all up once we get to the restaurant. How's your food, Kayla? How's your food, son? You got the ribs. It's good? That's the birthday boy. How's your burger, baby? How's your food, husband? We're going to say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Wider. It's been a few days since I picked you all up after we celebrated my oldest son's birthday, but we are officially done with our Capricorns. We are done celebrating all of our kids' birthdays for the month of January. Thank you, God. I still have my mother and one of my goddaughter's birthday coming up towards the end of the month, but as far as our kids, we are officially done. So, with that being said, was y'all able to see some of the footage that we had from the other day when it was snowing, girl, here in Maryland? We finally got some inches to talk about. It was maybe 3 or 4 inches, something like that, but the kids was out of school. They was outside playing in the snow. I really didn't record too much because I just relaxed, looked out the window, was watching the snow and the birds and all of that peaceful Cinderella type of stuff. It was just so pretty outside. I want to jump in and do this diaper cake real quick that I've been telling you all that I want to do for my uncle. I went to a few different stores today. We went to maybe 2 or 3 different Dollar Trees, and then I went to Michael's to grab some other stuff. But let me just show you real quick a quick little haul of some stuff that I grabbed from the Dollar Tree. If you having any type of like party or arts and craft that you want to do, go to the Dollar Tree first because you're not really breaking the bank. You know what I mean? I don't know the girl who baby shower this is. I'm doing it for my uncle, but her theme is safari theme and she's having a little girl, so I want to make it really, really cute. So I saw this little cake topper. I thought I could stick it somewhere inside of the diaper cake. Mind you, I've never done a diaper cake before, so this is my first time. We're going to do this together. But I grabbed this little cake topper that says "Oh Baby" from the Dollar Tree. Super cute. I might use that, might not. Then I grabbed this ribbon right here, just with all these different colors in it. Not sure if I'm even going to be able to use it, but I just grabbed it just in case. And then I grabbed this pink ribbon right here. I'm definitely not going to use this. I feel like this is cheesy. And then I grabbed these little glue sticks like that. This is for my hot glue gun. So I needed these so I can make everything stick together. And then what else I grabbed from the Dollar Tree? Oh, I grabbed these rubber bands right here. I'm going to tie these around the diapers just to hold them in place. I've looked at a few YouTube videos and TikToks and all that stuff, so hopefully I have everything that I need. And then from the Dollar Tree, I grabbed this little silver plate that looked like this. I thought it would be super cute to put the diapers on just so we can carry it, but it's kind of cheesy. I pushed myself to go to Michael's to grab some stuff that maybe look a little bit more decent. It's flimsy. It's not doing it for me, so I'm not going to use that. But I went to Michael's and I grabbed this charger right here. I thought it was so cute, so stinking cute. Hopefully I'm able to put everything on here and make it stick so that it'll turn out really nice and not move. But even after she used the diaper cake, she could still use this charger. I just thought it was super cute, so I grabbed this. And I also grabbed this pink lace ribbon from Michael's. Can you see it? There you go. It's pink and lace, and it's just super cute. I grabbed this one, and then I grabbed this one as well. You all saw me and Kayla go to Target to grab the diapers the other day, so I have those. And I tried to use my GoPro because I really don't use it that often. I tried to use it in Target, but I really don't like the audio. Gotta step my game up with my GoPro. I have it, I just wanted to put it to use, so that's why I used it while we were out. And then I ordered some stuff from Amazon too. Let me show you this real quick. I brought these little stuffed animals right here. I didn't know that they had a chain on them, but I could pop these off. I brought these little stuffed animals right here along with these little dowel sticks or dowel rods, whatever they call. I was thinking I could hook these to the back and stick it in the cake some type of way to have them sticking outside of the diaper cake. But these are so cute. Look at them. They are so cute. Really nice quality little stuffed animals. Super cute. So hopefully my vision will come to life. I didn't know that they had these little chains on them, but super cute. We're gonna make this work. So I'm gonna go ahead and start rolling up some of these diapers, and I'll show y'all the process once I knock down some of these diapers, because I have 96 of them to roll up. So I'll see you in a bit. This diaper cake for both YouTube and TikTok. I'm trying to get in my TikTok bag, you know what I mean? But I just plugged up my hot glue gun, so it's getting nice and hot. And I forgot to show y'all that I'm using a paper towel holder to put in the middle of the cake thing like this, you know what I mean, to stand it up, to have something to put the diapers around so it'll have some type of structure to it. I'm just gluing it around all the sides to make sure it stick. I had to adjust the paper towel roll, so it's a little bit of glue right there, but it's okay. It's on there, it's not moving anywhere, it's nice and dry. So let's start putting the diapers on here. Now I'm gonna stop adding diapers to the rubber band because it won't stretch any further and I don't want it to pop. But I do want to add more diapers so it's covering the entire base of this charger. So it looks like this. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and add the diapers here and use the ribbon to hold it in place. So here's the base of the diaper cake. I think it looks super cute already. I know it's just the base, but it's nice and sturdy. It's nice and full. I use about 27 diapers, and the size that I brought was a size 1. I'm not sure if I mentioned that or not. But it's on there and it's nice and neat. You can't see the rubber bands because of the ribbon, and that's what I was saying about keeping the rubber band in between the diapers. I know I'm really like critiquing myself, but yeah, it's just the OCD in me. But I think it's super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on the next layer. I used 27 diapers, so I still have a few down there from that one side, and then I have this entire side. Yo, wait, I completely forgot I had this lace ribbon right here. I was supposed to put this on first and then put the little smaller ribbon like this one right here. I completely forgot, so I'm gonna take that off and put this one on. But I did do the second tier and it looks like that so far. So let me add this pink ribbon first and I'll show you what it looked like. So we got all 3 tiers up and it looks so nice. I really like it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I might fill this. Yeah, I might put one more diaper right there, but it looks so cute, so nice. So let's go ahead and decorate it. At first I was going to hot glue these little animals to the side of it, but I brought these sticks right here that I showed you, and I didn't realize that their hands are crossed. So I can actually just put the stick in between it like that and it'll sit there, and I can just stick that so it'll be hanging out of the cake, you know what I mean? Something like that, just in case you want to keep, you want to take the little animal off, she can do that. But I'm thinking I could just like stick them down inside there. I'm gonna definitely take these chains off of it, but stick it down inside there like so. Put the stick between the stuffed animal paws. I'm talking like I really know what I'm doing. But yeah, put it like that. That's cute. That's real cute. So here is the final results of the diaper cake. It came out so cute, especially for it to be my first time. I definitely wish I would have had like some green leaves or something to bring it out, since it's a safari theme. It just seemed like it's missing a little bit of greenery or something like that. But I think it came out super cute. Really nice and neat. And the animals, I just stuck them there. At first I was going to hot glue them, but I realized that their hands kind of cross in the front, so I just stick them on a stick. So yeah, nice and cute, nice and simple. I hope she like it, whoever she is. But yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm getting pretty tired. It's already after 10 o'clock and I'm ready to settle down for tonight. But if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you like my content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give me a like. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. I'll see you in the next vlog.